Okay class, today I have brought in the television because today will be the national test of the emergency alert system. This test will go on through the TV. And shortly after, our intercom system. Our televisions in this school have cable. And, our local school radio station, KBVE-FM is an emergency alert system relay station. So while the television test won't be so bad, it's the radio station that will be a little loud.
Oh no, I don't like it when it's loud.
It's okay Caleb, it's gonna be okay. Anyways, the test will take place at 1 o'clock Central Daylight Time. And right now it's 11:58, so we will do math in the meantime. So does anyone want to review what we did today? Hold on.
Attention. Staff and students of Stormville High. This is Mrs. Madison in the front office. Please prepare for the national test of the emergency alert system. Television will play the EAS first. Then we will tune in the intercoms to our school radio station, KBVE-FM. We will now lower the volume on our intercoms, so that this national emergency test can be heard on the television. Then once testing is over for the TVs, we will increase the volume for our intercoms. It will be a little loud. I will warn you. Anyway, this concludes this announcement. We will now tune the intercoms to KBVE-FM for this test.
Okay, class, it's time for the test. Let's prepare.
No, I don't want to hear it.
Caleb, the test is going to occur. Now be quiet.
Test of emergency alert system capabilities. This test message has been initiated by National Alert and Warning Authorities in coordination with emergency alert system participants, including broadcast, cable, satellite, and wireline participants in your area. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by emergency information, news, or instructions. This is only a test. We now return you to regular programming.
And announcements. There will be 9 o'clock release for Friday for the assembly.
This is an important message from the KBVE-FM staff. The United States government will be conducting a test of the emergency alert system. Stand by for this announcement.
Oh, my ears are bleeding.
Caleb, shut up and listen to the emergency alert system, or you will be sent to the disciplinarian Fazbear's office.
Test of emergency alert system capabilities. This test message has been initiated by National Alert and Warning Authorities.
No.
That's it Caleb, you blew it. You will go see the disciplinarian vice principal once the test is over. Caleb, go see Vice Principal Freddy right now.
So Caleb, why are you here?
I was disruptive during the emergency alert system test in Mrs. Christina's class.
Okay, I will call Vice Principal Freddy. Freddy, I got Caleb Andrews here, because he was disruptive during the emergency alert system test.
Okay, send him in.
You can go in now, Caleb.
Okay Caleb, so I am just gonna go easy on you, because I don't feel like screaming. Anyways, you are suspended for 3 days, for disrupting class during the emergency alert system test. I am calling your mother. Hello, Mrs. Andrews, this is disciplinarian Freddy Fazbear of Stormville High School, calling to inform you that Caleb disrupted class during the emergency alert test.
He did what? Oh. He will be grounded. Thank you for calling me Mr. Fazbear.
Thank you, Mrs. Andrews. conveyor belt commence.
No, 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 no.
Caleb, you are grounded for your suspension time, which is 3 days. Now go upstairs to your room right now.
What?